Hi everyone, and finally the schedules are out for the January 2022 examination. Lot of messages are coming from the student side regarding the smart study for the January 2022 term, which means for the December 2021 earlier held examination, the smart study was very useful for the students. I got a tremendous response from the students that, sir, that smart study, that topics, I highlighted in that smart study PDFs for each and every subject, for inter and also for final, are very useful. Questions majority of the questions are from that areas which I told it's very important. You have to focus this, you have to prepare well for this. And I got positive feedback after each and every examination for inter and also for final. So the students of January term who are eligible to write in the January 2022 term, I will give each and every subject of inter and also for final. I will give smart study PDF for that subjects, especially for this term. January 2022 term. I communicated with students who already wrote the examination in December and who completed the first group of inter, second group of inter, third group of final, fourth group of final. I communicated with them. From their memory, they told which areas institute asked question, which type of questions they are asked. So we don't know exactly what is the question, what are the questions they asked because question paper are not available. But I communicated with the students. I got a picture of what institute is asked in this term, in the December 2021 term. So I will prepare especially a smart study PDF, smart study for each and every subject for the coming January 2022 term. So you can follow that. If you wish, you can follow that. You can focus on that areas. You can focus that important topics for the upcoming examination. From where you will get that smart study PDF, you can join Telegram channel. I will give the link in the description box. There is a group called CMA group by Afzal Alungal. You can join there. You can download each and every subject smart study when I upload that PDF in that group. Okay. I am preparing that. I will research about it and I will create a PDFs for each and every subject. You can study according to that. So all the very best. And one more thing. If you are preparing for a single group and also for both the groups, in the new schedule there are some gap between examination, especially last examinations. So plan your study according to that and follow this smart study. You will get a good mark. You will get a confidence in the examination. Okay, I'm not saying I will from this PDF only the questions will come. I'm saying these are the areas May Institute will ask questions more, because I researched previous year question papers, workbook, RTPs, and this term, December term, examination questions from students also. I heard it from them, and I will create a PDF for this. So if you wish, please join the Telegram group. Please share this video. And thank you very much for your wonderful feedback for my smart study. I hope if you written the examination, it helped you a lot. Thank you very much, and hope it will help the students of January 2022 term also. Thank you.